How has idol changed my life? How hasn't it really?
My apartment had just burned down in LA and I've moved home. I've lived in my car for like 2 days. I didn't know everything that I have to do with American Idol. There's no way I'd be in the music industry at all if it wasn't for that.
It allows these young people who gave up to be heard.
It is definitely the dream maker of
American innovation. Mexican design. Taco Bell know-how. Tender marinated all white meat. Splendid melty cheese wrapped up and good to go. Put it in tomatoes.
Okay, that's enough for Andrew's camera.
Oh my goodness.
Bring the lights.
Oh my goodness. 5 months old.
Bring the lights.
Hurry up,
an unprecedented additional 15% off the tank price. This filter on plus an extra 15% off $5.99 on Saturday holiday hot deals on appliances and electronics.
Give me one.
This Panasonic Blu-ray player is just $1.99.
Just let her lick her finger.
Over Nebraska Furniture Mart.
Yeah, see you right there.
Jazelle, you got it all over your clothes. Don't put it in your mouth when Mommy just likes it.
I will not give up. I will never sacrifice you in the name of the wicked father.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, that's enough.